Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your home. So, students, let's start our English class. So, in our last class, we had completed all the exercises. Actually, exercises up to page number 73 and exercise A of page number 74 yesterday. And today, let's finish rest of the exercise which left yesterday. I hope you all can see the screen over here. We had completed all these exercises yesterday, and exercise E we had completed yesterday. Today we'll complete exercise B. Okay. Select suitable words from the box given below and use them in place of the underlined word. So the question is here that you all have to use the correct word. Correct word we have to choose from the box. We have to choose correct word from this help box, and we have to write the word here in place of the word which are written here. So glass bangles. In place of glass, what?
Ma'am, beautiful. Ma'am, beautiful.
Beautiful would not be correct answer. Understand? So colorful you can write. Colorful bangles. Number 1 is colorful bangles. Here, you write colorful bangles. Number 2 is wooden boards. Wooden boards. So number 2.
Ma'am, paper board.
Yes,
Ma'am, paper board. Ma'am, paper board.
yes, paper board is the right one. Number 3, juice fruits. What can be the answer?
Ma'am, tasty fruits. Ma'am, tasty fruits. Tasty fruits.
Fresh fruits. Fruits should be fresh. Number 4 is clear water.
Ma'am, fresh water.
Fresh
Ma'am, muddy.
muddy.
Ma'am, muddy.
Muddy water. Yes. Number 5, delicious food. In place of delicious, which word is correct?
Ma'am, tasty. Ma'am, tasty.
We can use tasty here, not in fruits. Tasty food. Pretty girl.
Ma'am, beautiful girl.
Yes.
Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Ma'am, beautiful girl.
Next is number 7, newly washed tree. Answer is
Ma'am, planted was the tree. Planted was the tree.
planted
tree.
Yes, newly planted tree. Big rock.
Ma'am, huge. Ma'am, huge rock.
Huge rock. I hope you all have done this exercise. Move to the next exercise, which is spell. Make new words from the word fountains closely given for each new word. So with this word, one word, fountain, we have to make many words. Some clues are given here. Opposite of lost.
Found. Found.
Yes. Found. Next, country. Who can tell me?
Ma'am, country.
Nation.
Ma'am.
Nation. 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 A ball of fire. I hope you all know that.
Sun. 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 Sun.
That aren't you? Yes, it's sun. Rhymes with what?
No,
Very simple. Rhyme word of God.
Not. Not.
Not.
What का rhyming word क्या है? Not. I hope you have done this exercise as well. After you have completed all the exercises of this chapter, move to the next chapter, which you can see is paper board. The name of this chapter is paper board. So let's start reading this chapter first of all. After that, I'll read the chapter in front of you all, and you all have to read the chapter at your understand. And correct words you have. Paper board, chapter 7. This chapter is about Anna, a girl, and one boy also. Anna did not like what Aunt Avanti told her to do, but she did it. What was it that Anna did? What happened after that? Let's find out in this chapter. So, bent over a stream of muddy rainwater, Anna gently launched a paper boat. Like the two earlier ones, this boat too sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. Each time that happened, Anna would shriek with delight. But this time something horrible happened. A big boy pounced on her boat and pulled it out. He wiped off the water and turned the boat upside down. Anna scared at the boy. He was huge and dirty. So busy was he in inspecting the boat that he did not notice Anna's angry stare. She turned and ran into the house. So this you can see it's an incident is mentioned here. Bent over a stream of muddy rainwater means एक मोड़ था of a stream of muddy rainwater. Rainwater जा रहे थे ऐसे जब raining होती है we see that water comes from each and every places. So muddy water एक जगह से जा रहा था and it was bent को मुड़ गया था water का जो turn आ गया था. It's looking like a small stream. So Anna gently launched a paper boat. Anna ने बहुत आराम से gently a paper boat वहां पे रख दिया तो वो पानी के साथ में swim करने लगा. Then like two earlier ones, दो और पहले उसने किया था इसी तरह से launch. This boat too sailed down a stream swiftly and proudly. वो भी बहुत आराम से बोट जो था बहुत अच्छे से swiftly जा रहा था stream में. Each time that happened, Anna would shriek with delight. जैसे ही इसका बोट सेल करने लगता तो Anna shriek हो जाती delight से. वो खुशी से झूम जाती थी और बहुत जोर से shout करती थी अपने बोट को देख के उसका बोट जो है फ्लोट कर रहा है, सेल कर रहा है on that stream, small stream. But this time something horrible happened. इस बार कुछ horrible हो गया. A big boy pounced on her boat and pulled it out. एक बड़ा सा लड़का था, एक big boy आया दौड़ के और उसके बोट के पास में बहुत जोर से जंप किया, उसने बोट को निकाल लिया. He wiped off the water and turned the boat upside down. उसने वाइप किया वाटर को एंड बोट को अपसाइड डाउन इस तरह से घुमाने लगा हाथ से. Anna stared at the boy. Anna ने गुस्से से देखा उस बॉय को. He was huge and dirty. वो बड़ा सा बॉय था एंड वो बहुत डर्टी भी था. So busy was he in inspecting the boat. बहुत बिजी था वो बोट को चेक करने में कि कैसी बोट बनाई है ये. That he did not notice Anna's angry face. इतना बिजी था वो बोट को इंस्पेक्टिंग करने में कि उसने एना का एंग्री फेस भी नहीं देखा कि एना कितने गुस्से से उसको देख रही है. उसने उसकी बोट उठा ली थी. She turned and ran into the house. Anna turned में और वो घर के अंदर दौड़ के चली गई. Now Aunt Avanti was sitting in an armchair watching the newly washed tree and the beautiful sky when Anna rushed in, her face red. That awful boy, he snatched away my boat, she said. Don't worry, I will make another one for you. Aunt Avanti tried to console her. what if he takes that one also? Then I will make some more boats. Suppose he takes all of them. Now here is a small exercise. You can see, pick the correct option. Snagged means, what is the meaning of snagged? Take away roughly, take away politely, take away slowly. This is your homework to find out the correct answer and take the correct answer. Understand? Now, no, he won't, because I will make two for him as well. But why should you make any for him? Because I don't think he has an Aunt Avanti who will make boats for him. Then can he make them himself? He is so big. Yes, Anna, but maybe no one has taught him how to make boats. Why didn't he go to the school? Why didn't he go to school? He is so bad. He could have. Aunt Avanti just smiled. She had cut some papers into squares and was already folding one. So here you can see in this page, I'm explaining this page. Aunt Avanti was sitting in her armchair. अपनी armchair में वो बैठी थी. Armchair means this type of chair is called armchair. She was sitting on that armchair and watching the newly washed trees. Means जो नए नए साफ धुले हुए जो पेड़ थे, धुले हुए पेड़ means with the rain water, all the trees were washed. So she was sitting in her armchair and she was watching the washed trees. And the blue sky she was watching. Blue sky को भी देख रही थी वो बैठ के आंट अवंती. जब एना जो थी वो रश्ड करके अंदर आ गई, दौड़ के अंदर आई, and her face was red. और गुस्से से एना का फेस जो था red था. Her face was red because of anger, so much anger. That awful boy, he snapped away my boat, she said. एना ने कहा वो भयानक सा लड़का, awful means भयानक सा, बुरा सा, वो बुरा सा भयानक सा लड़का उसने मेरी बोट को स्नैच कर लिया, खींच लिया है जोर से. Don't worry, I will make another one for you. Aunt Avanti tried to console her. Aunt Avanti उसको console करना चाहती थी, समझाना चाहती थी, cool down करना चाहती थी. So she said कि don't worry, मैं तुम्हारे लिए एक और बना दूंगी. What if he takes that one also? क्या होगा अगर वो उसको भी ले लेगा तो? Then I will make some more boats. तो मैं और boats बना दूंगी. Suppose he takes all of them. सोचिए अगर वो पूरी ले जाएगा, सारी boats ले जाएगा तो? No, he won't, because I will make two for him as well. Aunt Avanti ने कहा नहीं, वो ऐसा नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि उसके लिए भी मैं दो boats बना दूंगी. But why should you make any for him? लेकिन आप उसके लिए क्यों बनाएंगी boat? Because I don't think he has an Aunt Avanti who will make boats for him. Aunt Avanti ने कहा कि क्योंकि मुझे लगता है उसकी कोई Aunt Avanti नहीं होंगी जो उसके लिए बोट बनाती होंगी. Then can't he make them himself? He is so big. तो क्या वो अपने से बोट नहीं बना सकता? वो तो बहुत बड़ा है. Yes, Anna, but maybe no one has taught him how to make boat. उसने कहा yes, Anna, हो सकता है ऐसा हो, लेकिन किसी ने उसको शायद सिखाया नहीं होगा कि कैसे बोट बनाते हैं. Taught means सिखाना, teach. It's a past tense of taught. It's a past tense of teach. Understand? Teach का past tense होता है taught. उसे किसी ने सिखाया नहीं होगा. Why didn't he go to school? He is so bad. He could not have. वो स्कूल क्यों नहीं गया है? वो तो बहुत बुरा है. She's saying and I saying. Aunt Avanti just smiled. She had cut some papers into squares and was already folding one. तो Aunt Avanti ने smile किया and उन्होंने पेपर को फोल्ड करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था for making boat. In no time, a boat was ready. Then she made a few more. Finally, she gave all the boats to Anna and said, "Here, now run and have fun." Anna did not move. She was still sulking, did not want to have anything to do with that boy. But there was no choice. The rain had just stopped. The gurgling and swirling muddy rainwater was flowing through the open drain. It looked so inviting. Clutching the boats tight, Anna started walking hesitantly towards the stream. Yes, Arushi, want to ask something?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of sulking?
Selfie? She was still
Yes, ma'am.
showing that in angry. Means she was still angry with that boy. Understand? She was
Yes, ma'am.
with that boy. Sulking. Sulking means she was still angry with that boy. Yes, Trisha?
Ma'am, what means is gurgling?
Gurgling means sound of water. It's a kind of sound of water. Gurgle, gurgle, like water when flows ना जब पानी जाता है, rain water when we hear so many sounds, बहुत सारी sounds हमको आती है ना बारिश की, like gurgle, gurgle, swirling.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is
Ma'am, what is mean of swirling?
swirling means
Swirling.
moving around quickly with a circular motion. Means in a circular motion that boat was swirling on that muddy rain. Understand? Gurgling and swirling muddy rain water was flowing through the open drain. Open drain means your drains.
Ma'am, what is meaning of hesitantly?
Hesitantly means झिझक से. Hesitantly means झिझक से और slowly as if it is not sure. मतलब कि कोई चीज sure नहीं है लेकिन हम कर रहे हैं वो. I'm doing this but I'm not sure. Like this. Hesitantly in Hindi we can say it's a kind of झिझक, nervousness कि अरे शायद सही भी हो सकता है, शायद नहीं भी हो सकता है, ये करना, ये बोलना, like this is called hesitantly यानी hesitate करना. So up to here with it, no? The boy was still there. He looked at her curiously. Anna took out two not so good boards and held them out for the boy. He could hardly believe that this pretty girl in the purple frock was calling him. He almost ran to her. Take, she said, without a smile. The boy took them and just stood there quietly. He did not know what to say. Chin up in the air, Anna turned her back and gently launched her boat. Swiftly the boat sailed down the stream. The boy stood there watching it, a faint smile dancing on her lips. Anna knew that he had no intentions of pulling it out of the water. Happily, she watched the swiftly moving boat as it sailed beautifully. Anna was about to shriek with delight once again when, to her horror, she saw the boat getting caught between mud and stone. Water splashed against it and slowly flooded the boat. In a flash, the boy dashed right through the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. He turned the boat upside down to drain off the water. Then, without a word, he held it out for Anna. Anna took the boat and smiled. The boy smiled back a beautiful smile. Anna turned round and gently left the boat in the stream. It sailed swiftly and drifted past the big stone mud and grass. Soon it was out of sight. Anna and the boy looked at each other and smiled. This story was written by Anil Tikboth. Yes, Sparsh.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of intention?
Intention means हमारे मन की भावनाएं कि हम क्या चाहते हैं. I think your intention is to study properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Some students' intention is not good. They are thinking about doing masti all the time. Some students want to study hard. Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, what is meaning of swiftly?
Sorry, swiftly, slowly. Swiftly means slowly.
Ma'am,
Sorry, swiftly means quickly and immediately. Swiftly means
Ma'am, what is mean of in a flash?
sorry.
Ma'am, what is mean of in a flash? What is mean of in a flash?
In a flash means in a second, in a minute. बहुत जल्दी, in a minute. In a flash, we can use these words in our daily life. Understand? जब हम daily conversation कर रहे हैं with somebody else, we can use this word. In a flash, I went there. In a flash, I completed my work. Yes, Rishabh.
What is meaning of that?
Sorry,
Drifted.
sorry.
What is meaning of drifted?
Gifted, drifted. Drifted means slowly, moving slowly in water. Understand? Means धीरे धीरे पानी में जाना, धीरे धीरे चलना, like this. Yes. Arushi?
Ma'am, what is meaning of inspecting?
Inspecting means check करना, ध्यान से देना, ध्यान देना कि चेकिंग करना है क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, हम इंस्पेक्टिंग कर रहे हैं क्या आखिर एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन करेक्टली और समथिंग इज डिफरेंट हियर. अंडरस्टैंड? चेक करना, ध्यान देना. I was watching you all during I was reading the chapter. I was watching you all that some of the students were looking on their book. Whenever I read the chapter and anybody in class read the chapter, you all have to look on your each and every line, because many of the words I think you are unable to pronounce. So during reading the chapter, whenever somebody reads the chapter, you should have to check each and every word, because some of the words you cannot pronounce properly. Understand? Please take care of this. Let me explain this page also. So in no time a boat was ready. Means बहुत जल्दी boat ready हो गई थी. Then she made few more. तो आंट अवंती ने और भी कुछ boats बनाया. Finally, she gave the boats to Anna and said, "Here, now run and have fun." आंट अवंती ने कहा, ये लो boats और जाओ अब मजे करो. Anna did not move. Anna वहां से गई नहीं, वो वहीं पे थी. She was still sulking. अभी भी उसको गुस्सा आ रहा था Anna को. She did not want to have anything to do with that boy. वो उस लड़के को बोट नहीं देना चाहती थी अपना. But there was no choice. लेकिन कोई choice ही नहीं था. The rain had just stopped. अब rain stop हो गई थी. The gurgling and swirling muddy rain water was flowing through the open drain. अब जब rain stop हो गई तो गड़गड़ आवाज की जो water था वो swirl करता हुआ घूमते हुए जो water था वो muddy rain का वो आगे drains open drain से निकल के बहता जा रहा था, जाता था. It looked so inviting. एना को वो बहुत इनवाइटिंग लग रहा था कि लाइक वो बोल रहा है कि आओ आओ यहाँ पर आके बोट्स को सेल करो, आओ, लाइक वो दैट वाटर इज इनवाइटिंग हर. क्लचिंग द बोट्स टाइट, एना स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग हेजिटेंटली टुवर्ड्स द स्ट्रीम. अपने बोट्स को अच्छे टाइटली पकड़ के एना फिर झिझक के साथ, मन उसका कर नहीं रहा था बॉय के पास जाने का, लेकिन एना गई एंड शी वेंट देयर टू द स्ट्रीम एंड द बॉय वाज स्टिल देयर. बॉय वहीं पे अभी भी था. He looked at her curiously. उस बॉय ने वो एना को बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी से देखा कि अब एना क्या करने वाली है, अब क्या करेगी एना. अगर फिर से बोट एना करेगी तो मैं फिर से बोट खींच लूंगा. He was like thinking like this, I think. So he was very curious कि अब एना क्या करने वाली. Anna took out two not so good boats and held them out for the boy. एना ने दो बोट निकाली जो नॉट सो गुड थी, बहुत अच्छी बोट्स नहीं थी, वो ऐसे ही दिख रही थी थोड़ा खराब सी. वो दो बोट उसने बॉय को दे दिया. He could hardly believe that this pretty girl in the purple frock was calling him. He almost ran to her. And उसको बिलीव नहीं हुआ बॉय को that वो pretty girl जो पर्पल फ्रॉक पहनी है वो मुझे बुला रही है to give something. और वो बहुत जल्दी दौड़ के एना के पास पहुंच गया. And Anna said, एना ने क्या कहा? Take. उसने कहा ये लो, रखो. The boy took them and just stood there quietly. बॉय ने ले लिया और वहीं पे चुपचाप खड़ा हो गया. He did not know what to say. उसको पता नहीं था कि मैं क्या बोलूं. उसको थैंक यू भी नहीं पता था कि मैं थैंक यू बोलूं. उसको कुछ नहीं पता. So chin up in the air, Anna turned her back and gently launched her boat. Anna ने अपना सर उठाया और टर्न हो गई और फिर से उसने बोट को अपने जेंटली लॉन्च कर दिया, सेल कर दिया। स्विफ्टली द बोट सेल्ड डाउन द स्ट्रीम, बहुत स्पीड की साउंड जो बोट थी वो डाउन द स्ट्रीम चली गई बहुत आगे। The boy stood there watching it, a faint smile dancing on his lips. So boy खड़े होकर बस देख रहा था और उसको बस उसके फेस पे एक स्माइल आ गई थी। Anna knew that he had no intention of pulling out of the water. एना अब समझ गई थी अब इसके इंटेंशंस नहीं है कि वो अब बोट को बाहर खींचेगा पहले जैसे। तो हैप्पीली शी वॉच्ड द स्विफ्टली मूविंग बोट एज इट सेल्ड ब्यूटीफुली, उसने बहुत खुशी से स्विफ्टली उसने देखा कि जो बोट है बहुत स्पीड में वो जा रही है, सेल कर रही है। एना वाज अबाउट टू श्रीक विद डिलाइट वंस अगेन, एना फिर से खुशी से श्रीक करना चाहती थी, बट टू हर हॉरर अचानक से क्या हुआ, she saw boat getting caught between mud and stone, बोट जो थी मड और स्टोन्स के बीच में फंस गई थी। water splashed against it and slowly flooded the boat, वाटर जो था उसके ऊपर वाटर आ गया था एंड वो फ्लडेड हो गई थी, मतलब वो टर्न बैक हो गई थी दैट बोट। In a flash the boy dashed right through the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. In a flash means एक मिनट के अंदर जो बॉय था वो दौड़ के गया और उसने बोट को तुरंत निकाल लिया and pulled out the boat of the water. He turned the boat upside down to drain off the water. उसने जल्दी से बोट को उल्टा सीधा किया ताकि जो वाटर है वो ड्रेन ऑफ हो जाए, निकल जाए बाहर। Then without a word he held it out for Anna. बिना कुछ बोले उसने फिर एना को बोट दे दिया कि एना ये लो। Anna took the boat and smiled. एना ने बोट लिया, उसने स्माइल किया था। Boy smiled back beautifully. Boy smiled back a beautiful smile. उसने भी स्माइल किया। Anna turned round gently left the boat in the stream. Anna फिर से स्ट्रीम में उसने जेंटली अपनी बोट को लॉन्च कर दिया, छोड़ दिया। It sailed swiftly and drifted past the big stones, mud and grass. Soon it was out of sight. Anna and the boy looked at each other and smiled. जैसे ही उसने बोट को किया लॉन्च अगेन तो वो बहुत स्पीड से वो आउट ऑफ साइट हो गई, मींस दिखना बंद हो गई, वो इतनी दूर चली गई। And after that Anna और boy दोनों एक दूसरे को स्माइल किए थे। This is the end of the story. And as you can see some words are given here and I hope you all know that what is your assignment to make sentences of these words. First of all find out the meaning and make sentences and send it to me. And find out the answer of these questions from the chapter. Understand? Move to the take the correct answer. Why did Anna shriek with delight? Anna shrieked with delight. Why did Anna shriek with delight? The boats were beautiful. The boats sailed swiftly and proudly. The boats were made by Anna. Answer is?
Ma'am, the boat sailed swiftly and proudly.
Yes. The right answer is the boat sailed. Don't worry, I will make another one for you. Why did Aunt Avanti say this? The boat was tall. The boat, Anna did not like it. The boy smashed the boat. Answer is?
The boy snatched the boat.
The boy
Snared the boat.
Next is Anna wore a dash frock. Red, purple, blue.
Purple frock. Purple
Purple.
frock.
Why did Aunt Avanti want to make paper boat for the boy? He was a bad boy. Aunt Avanti
realized that
no one to look after him. Nobody had taught him.
Ma'am, Aunt Avanti realized that boy has no one to look after him.
Correct. I hope you all have done these exercises. Sorry, all the take the correct answer. Move to the page number 81. I'll send you word meanings and question answers of this chapter on your WhatsApp group. Listen to the story and answer the question. For this, you have to open page number 106 of your book. Chapter 7, I think. Yes, chapter 7. Page number 156. And there is chapter 7 and a paragraph is given. You have to read the paragraph and take the correct answer from that. I hope you all can do this exercise easily by yourself. Annapurna?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you complete this exercise by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very easy. Just have,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all guess. Sparsh, can you do
Yes,
this
ma'am.
exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Try to complete this exercise. It's very simple. And you have to complete each and every exercise on your notebook as well. Move to the next exercise. Subject, grammar, subject, verb, agreement. Read these sentences. The boy was looking at Anna's boat. The two boats were sent. The verb form can change depending on whether the subject is singular or plural. Single subject, single verb, plural subject, plural verb. Now, Mrs. Shah does a very good host. Is are, which is the right answer? Is or are?
Ma'am, is. Is.
Ma'am, is.
Exactly. Mrs. Sharma is a singular subject. So we have to use single verb, which is. The food dash delicious. Was or were?
Was.
Ma'am,
Was.
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 Ma'am,
Because
was.
it's a singular subject, so singular verb we have to use. Some of the fruits dash gone bad. Have or has?
Have.
Ma'am, have. Ma'am, ma'am, have.
Listen to me very carefully, students. Have किसके साथ यूज किया जाता है? Do you know that? Have हम यूज करते हैं with I, with you, with
Has.
we, with they, and any plural. Any plural के साथ हम have यूज करते हैं. Has किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? Has we use with he, she, it, and any singular. Off your mics, any singular. This is the rule. Understand? To use has and have. सीमा के पास पेंसिल है. आंसर क्या होगा? सीमा के पास पेंसिल है. सीमा हैज अ पेंसिल. आपके पास पेंसिल है. यू हैव अ पेंसिल. मेरे पास पेंसिल है. आई हैव अ पेंसिल. उसके पास पेंसिल है. He has a pencil, or she has a pencil, or it has a pencil. Understand? So if we are talking about plural, then we have to use have. If we are talking about singular, then we have to use has. Take care of this thing in your mind. Always, it's very important for using has and have. So here you can see fruits is written. Fruits is written. Singular or plural? Fruits is
Ma'am, plural.
plural. So for plural, which one?
Plural.
Has or have?
Plural. Ma'am, have.
For plural.
Ma'am,
भाई plural के लिए क्या यूज करना है?
ma'am, have. Have.
Sorry?
Have.
Ma'am, have.
Have. H-A-V-E have. हमें have यूज करना है plural. Fruits S लगा है ना? तो ये क्या है? Plural है. Whenever there is some, we have to use have. He seems to have forgotten that there dash things to be done before the party. There. So there के साथ क्या यूज होगा? Are. There are. Understand? Advika, stop touching the screen. Some of the player that has or have. Player has or have.
Ma'am, have.
Have. Because we are talking about players, and players is plural word. Have you completed this exercise? Can you complete this exercise? Very easy.